Hi people, this is Nery again. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna come out, so I'm just testing it. My hands are shaky, I don't know why. Okay, let me see if I could, hold on, let me take it this way. Okay, so as you can see, this is an avocado plant. Let me put it here because this is the best way you can see it. That's an avocado plant, as you can see there. That's the cut. I did a cutting on the tip, and I took a piece of aloe vera. I saw that last night. They were saying how you could propagate it with natural stimulator of the roots, to stimulate the roots. So you just take a piece of how you call it, like cubes. You cut them, the aloe vera, and you plant it inside the aloe vera. Then you cover it up with dirt. That should, by the time the aloe vera starts getting rotted out, the plant will have roots. So this is just a test. I want to see, because a lot of people say, oh yeah, you do this and you do that and it comes out perfect and blah, blah, blah. But then when you try it, it's really a fake. So, but I want to see if it's true, if this happens. Because if it happens, why buy in the store what you could just do it with aloe vera? You know, it's much healthier. It's going to give it more proteins and stuff. I'm going to show this tomorrow because I'm going to do it with this plant. That is my white plant. Look how big it is. I took it from roots and it's gorgeous. But I keep forgetting watering them, but they still look good anyways. So this is what I've been doing. The next thing that I want to say is that I sent to buy new plant seeds. It's dwarf bananas. I don't remember the rest of it, what I sent out. But I sent out like, oh yeah, I sent out this weird plant. It's a flower. It's a weird kind of flower you'll be seeing. I'll be showing the picture of it. And I'm going to plant this. It was 3 or 4 things that I bought. I can't remember. I'm also planting, I think, I don't know if I bought the how you call it, the grapes. Because I wanted to get the grapes also. But I don't remember if I did. And plus I wanted to get the cactus flower. You know, I don't know how they call it. But they have the seeds. I'm going to get them. They have like 4 colors. The best thing about this is that you cut a piece, you plant it in the dirt, and it'll give you another plant. So that's what I'm looking for. Things that I could get other plants and just probably sell them out. This I'm trying to do it by, how you call it, by the summertime. Because that's when I'm going to start promoting them to sell it out, you know. I have 2 places that I could sell it. And I'm going to see if before June, I will be communicating with the two companies and see if they would take it. One, I think it would, you know, because I have a variety. I have a lot of how you call it, aloe veras. I have I got these plants that I'm gonna be doing. I also have it in white. I'll show you that tomorrow because today it's like, you know, it's kind of dark. But I'm gonna buy new plants and I'm gonna be planting them and see how they grow. And as they grow, I propagate them and I'll sell that too. So I also thinking of not doing them in regular plant, how you call these things, pots. I wanna like something to, and if anybody has any idea on this, something that everything that you use, let's say like a carton, you could use it as a pot and decorate it. And we could also save, because we don't do recycling much here. I think Bayamón and Cagua is the ones that do recycle, but San Juan don't recycle. Hardly nobody recycles, and there's tons of plastic going out into, how you call it, to the dumps, and that provokes, you know, a long time for it to disintegrate. So what I'm thinking is I wanted to do something that anything that is plastic, I could use it as a plant thing, you know. And I use it normally, like right now you see it's like a little cup. I use it normally in the house, but I would like to do something like this as a sell. Instead of selling regular pots that you buy in the store. It will be leftover plastics that you could decorate them and sell them, with the plant. And this will help also, earth, and less plastic will be going out. So, I also will do a video on it, because I would like to put my YouTube channel there, the link, and they could see what we think about, saving our planet. If we keep going this way, I feel sorry for ourselves, So that's another thing that I think I want to do by June or July. It depends, how things going, what life has for us. Right now we're going through earthquakes. Yeah, a lot of earthquakes. Thank God that I have not felt not even one of them. But my daughter, that she felt it in her house. And she be calling, "Ma, did you hear that? Are you okay?" This and that. I said, "Ma, I haven't even felt anything, so I don't know anything." But here, we haven't felt it, thank God. And, also that could bring in tsunamis. So the government is very attention to that because of, the danger of it. And, of course, they're telling you to get a couple of bucks, keep it at home, because, if anything happens, you cannot use the ATM. So I guess, you have to have things to order in order to buy things, food or whatever. So, there's a lot of things going on here in Puerto Rico. And I know it's going a lot of things over there in the States. They kill terrorists, and we don't know what's going to happen. But I think that terrorists shouldn't live in this earth. All they do is harm to people. And we got to save the people. We got to be proud American. And I feel so bad that I saw a lady saying, "Oh, please forgive us. We also, we're stuck here. We can't do nothing. Please don't kill us." I know that lady is not an American. She must be from some other country that became an American, tried to become an American, and then she betrays the Americans. So, these are so many things that is happening in the United States and in Puerto Rico and all over the place. But I thank God that God has been good to us. My son is already at home. He's recuperating. He recuperated in 1 month from dying to walking like nothing happened. That's the power of God. Lots of prayers, and I want to always thank you guys for praying for my son. So, saying this, tomorrow I'm going to make another video because I want to show you how I did this. This part. It's just that it's dark, and I thought I was going to be here by the day, but I couldn't do it. But I want to do one with this one. I want to cut a piece and see if that worked. I'm just trying to see what would work, what wouldn't work. And you're going to see the other one. The other little one I have of this one. The white flowers, plants, leaves. The white leaves that I call them the snow plant. I have one that I was able to cut it small with roots, and it's beautiful. But I'll show you that tomorrow. So, God bless you all. Until next time. Bye-bye.